That Friday feed is back again. Oh, yes, it's that Friday. Let's stop that right there. You're saying, Chris, have I seen that before? Maybe you have. I mean, it is a rerun. Strange. Yes. Unfortunately, fortunately, I suppose you can look at it two ways. I had to work today. So I literally came home and thought, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? It's really not going to happen that fast. I've even got the purple t-shirt. Oh yes, the Formax purple t-shirt in the house once again. But I'm really not going to have time to finish and let things dry on the Harrier, which you was probably expecting this week. I didn't get a lot done last week. You don't say, Chris. Yes, unfortunately, but don't worry. This is still that daily, or should I say weekly dose of that Friday feeling. Yes, that positive is coming out of me like sweat. Can you not smell it? All right, so let's get back to the Boomerang. Yes, one of my favourite trainers that I had. Fantastic. Let's watch a bit more of what you've seen before. And if you haven't seen it before, then enjoy yourself. And up here somewhere, or later on towards the end of the video, we'll put the links there if you want to see the whole Boomerang built from scratch. Well, not scratch, I'm lying actually, but building it all together. And getting it flying and everything else with Mr. Paul Heckles, which you'll see loads of videos of him sorting out the engine, making it purr like a kitten, and I called the fantastic but good friend of mine, David Owens, who flies quads around just to show me flying and what I'm doing and everything else. So let's get back to that emotional but fun flying. Oh yes.
bit of flying with Paul.
Fantastic. I mean, Paul Heckles is such a pilot. He does lots of secret things that we're not allowed to speak about, and it's fantastic. He was doing figure of eights 2 inches from the ground, must have been. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, that is the end of it. Short and sweet and everything else, and I do apologise that I couldn't bring the video that I wanted to do today. I really am envious of all you lovely people out there who have retired. I'm looking forward to retiring, so I can get up in the morning, have my cup of tea and a cup of coffee or whatever I'm going to have and get in the hangar. Oh yes. But on that bombshell, if you can get out and it's great weather, today was pretty good actually. We're on October the 20th something, 2025. It was a good day today. A bit windy though, but it was a good day. But if you can get out and do any RC, which is flying or boating or anything else and fun, then get out there. Why not? And if you can't get out there, then get in the hangar and have some fun in the hangar and carry in that Friday feeling, that positivity all the way till next Friday. But if you do, be safe, keep safe, but most of all have fun. Please do. Thanks for popping by. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you next week. Ta-ra.